Go fucking figure.
Morning, Dr. Phil. How are you? Have a seat right here. How are you doing this morning? Are you drunk? Have you been drinking?
No.
What was the last drink you had?
I had 2 beers yesterday.
2 beers yesterday.
Yeah. 2 20-ounce beers.
2 20-ounce beers yesterday. That's all you had yesterday? Why?
Extended's coming here.
So you'll drink a liter of whiskey a day, a big bottle a day, and then like
Holy
5
shit.
shots at night when you go to bed.
Yep.
And,
I know, right?
what-
To forget. To calm the anxiety.
How forthright have you been with us?
I'm surprised she hasn't died from alcohol poisoning.
I feel that I've been very honest. We're not afraid to kill. I'm so sick of it.
One of the country singers that I like
Yeah.
died in, I think, the 80s. Alcohol poisoning.
Oh. I never understood why actors and actresses and all that, those people, singers, I don't understand why they drink, why they take drugs. They're just gonna die.
She got to spend her special night cleaning up your vomit. And you said, oh, such a great gift. You cannot be that selfish and nice. And later, what's going on here?
No, I don't know how to fix that. I've never seen you do that before. Stop. I've already searched for a scheme they believe in being objective. I'm friends with his daughter.
Whose idea was it to run away? She claimed to be pregnant.
My baby is Jesus.
Wait, what? Did she just say that her baby was Jesus?
I thought so, because that's what I heard.
What, is she supposed to be the next
Mary.
Mary, like Virgin Mary? Oh my goodness.
Sometimes I watch these shows just to have a good laugh.
I know. I guess some teens are actually like horrified of their parents, so they'll lie saying that they didn't have sex. They end up pregnant, saying it's the next Jesus.
I remember when I was young, my mom didn't know I was having sex.
Yeah.
They started at 14. My mom never knew.
Wow.
Until I got pregnant at 18.
Hey, at least you were an adult when you got pregnant.
But it was around the time that I turned 18. So they were trying to figure out if I was 17 or 18 to get the father.
Great cars, great service, a great deal, and again for 16, the #1 Diamond Chapter of Excellence dealer in the
I was kind of nervous at telling my mother I was pregnant. Because I had somebody with me there.
Yeah. I think that's the best idea, is have someone with you. That way your mom can't go batshit insane.
She could have anyway, but
Yeah, but
I had somebody that was not a family member that would be on my side to help out.
yeah. But that's the whole point, like
Yeah.
having someone there that's not family. Because if it was family, she would probably still go batshit insane.
And then they tried thinking that he was the father.
Wait, what?
Yeah. The guy was just like 60 years old. I'm 18. And they thought he was the father because he was the type of person that I could talk to.
Oh, they thought just because you could talk to the person that you two were doing it.
Yeah. And then I was on Medicaid. And when I got off Medicaid and Jeffrey went to SSI,
Yeah.
Medicaid wanted the money back from his father,
What the fuck?
which I can understand.
Yeah.
So in order to make sure they had the right person, they did a DNA test. Of course, he was the father. I want to say over 98, either 98 or over 99% sure he was the father.
Yeah.
And they could tell by knowing what Jeffrey looked like, having never seen Kevin before.
Yeah.
They knew what he looked like. Crystal picked him out the first try when I went to court.
That's
She's like, don't point him out, let me know if he's here. So I went like this all across the room, went back to Crystal. Oh, he's here. Very first shot, she got him. Just by knowing what Jeffrey looked like.
That's pretty fucking sad that you deny the kid to be yours, but then someone can point out who the father is off the bat because of the looks
Yeah.
of the kid.
And then at Jeffrey's funeral, Kevin came to the funeral. My mom had never seen him.
Yeah.
So the whole family's up front, and people that showed up went to, like, through the line of the family, doing their condolences and stuff. My mother picked him out the first try. She looked at him, she's like, I don't know you, are you Jeffrey's father? Just by knowing what he looked like.
Yeah.
And he goes, yes. He couldn't deny it because of the blood test.
Yeah, I know.
So that's pretty fucking sad when two people who never met you before can pick you out at being somebody's father.
Was that the time when his wife decided to...
It was at the court date, after the court date, and the proving of him being the father that his wife left him and made him pay child support for their two children.
And then he tried complaining, saying that...
Yeah, they were taking a lot out of his paycheck for child support. They
And
wanted me to feel bad.
Oh, boo-hoo.
And I'm thinking,
Keep in your pants, then.
yeah, I'm like, you knew you were married, and you knew you had two kids, and you knew there was a possibility of having sex and getting a person pregnant. That's how they get pregnant.
Yeah, if they wanted someone not to get pregnant, fuck a dude.
Either wear a condom or don't do it.
Or have sex with a guy or become gay or some shit. I don't know. I know you can't become gay, but
You know,
yeah, just
I'm like,
be fucking careful.
you're an ass.
Oh, he was. The only reason why he came there is to make sure he was actually dead.
Yeah, because when I went to get the death certificate,
Yeah.
the person, when I called about it, the person on the phone said that his father came and got one. I'm like, really? He goes, yeah. He said, well, me and his father's not together. I would like one being the mother. So he told me where to go to get one. I'm like, okay.
That's pretty fucking sad.
Yeah, because he was paying child support. That was his only way of being able to prove he didn't need to pay it.
I think he should still pay it just for that. But then again, the kids still don't lives.